Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to convert any file into .reg or registry file in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop home screen I have one image file as well as one video file, right? So in order to convert any file into .reg or registry file, what you need to do is just open the file explorer and just click on this view option and just click on this show, and now just enable this file name extension. Now you can close the file explorer. Now you will be able to see the file extension name, so you can see. So just select the respective file and just right mouse click on it and just select rename option, or you can press F2 also on your computer keyboard. And now delete the file extension name and just put it REG and hit enter. Click on yes. Now you can see the respective file has been converted into .reg or registry file. So if you double click on it, now you can see, click on run. Now it's asking to whether you want to install it. So I don't want to install it, just to give you an example. It's perfectly working. Now similarly you can do the same thing with the other files. Just right mouse click on the respective file and click on rename or press F2 on your computer keyboard and just change the extension of the file name to REG and hit enter on your computer keyboard. Finally, you can see both the respective files has been converted into .reg or registry file. So by using this method, you can easily convert any file into .reg or registry file in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.